Is it on? Is this thing on?
What is up, party people? Welcome to Colorado Springs, Colorado. If you're heading this way, you gotta check out the Garden of the Gods. It is 1,300 incredible acres of breathtaking sandstone formations, complete with hiking trails and incomparable views of the mountains. If you're coming to Colorado for mountains, that's where you gotta go. They do have a visitor center where you can get souvenirs and whatnot, so all the loved ones that you promised you were gonna bring stuff to, you can head there for that. When you get hungry, you gotta check out the Rabbit Hole. It's a vaguely Alice in Wonderland themed restaurant with a very cool entrance and, most importantly, a very delicious menu.
Also, Michael found this incredible restaurant that serves authentic Guam cuisine. And he would know if it's authentic, since he's from there.
We stayed at one of the nicest hotels we've been to on our tour called the Antlers. It is a Wyndham hotel with one of the best hotel gyms I have ever seen, as well as a beautiful lobby with tons of couches and plenty of room to get some work done. The altitude got the better of some of us, but fortunately not to the point where we had to call out of the show. Just some low-key altitude sickness. And, of course, being very winded after some of our more intense dance numbers. In Colorado Springs, we played the Pikes Center for the Performing Arts. Try to say that 10 times fast. This auditorium was built in 1982 and seats just under 2,000. This theater in particular has some very cool acoustic features that I either didn't know existed or had never taken notice of. It makes it very versatile for different types of performances. For example, there are retractable banners along the side walls that are lowered for performances that utilize the sound system, like ours, and retracted for concerts that need a more live space, like symphonies and choir concerts. We got to spend almost 2 full days here and it was just amazing. Colorado Springs definitely makes the list of places I need to bring my wife. Next stop, Cheyenne, Wyoming. Thanks for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.